Niaje? Nini mbaya na gold? So I'm saying there's a 4H volume imbalance. Okay, so I might want to see if you can trade above it, then use it to support price going higher. So can we use this volume imbalance to support price going higher? So welcome. Karibuni. Yawa ni aje Sadaman. When unafaa ulete chai. Yeah. So I want to see how price will react to this volume imbalance. If we can use it to support price going higher, then that will be good. Plus we are also having this fair value gap here. This 4H fair value gap. So this 4H. Yeah. So we are also having that fair value gap there. Kwa 4H. So I think acha nilete kwa canvas kuna tickers ticker interval. Yeah. So wale wenye wanaulizanga ndo hii hapa. Yeah. Yes. So hiyo ni 4H and Mercure. Tuko ndani ya hii ni week opening up ya last month. Friday is 24th Friday to 26th Sunday. Okay, so what do you think fits that? What do you think? So what you guys need to know is that determining every day's bias is something that's unrealistic, okay? So the only thing you can know and be sure of is the narrative. So we are only dealing with narrative. So if such and such a thing happens, then we are going to do this. If it doesn't, then this is going to happen, okay? So you can't tell me that you can just come to the market and know that it's now going to be bullish ama bearish, okay? Sawa fitsa. Yeah. Determining every day's bias is unrealistic, totally unrealistic. So yeah, you react, Lyrox, you react, you don't predict. That's top notch. This si trading pre-market, but kama ulikuwa umeishika, then nice. Plus ilikuwa imegonga hiyo daily bullish order block. Yeah, so kama ulishika, congrats man. Yeah, so sisi tuna trading during the open, so pre-market unless tu kama maybe kuna leo kuna news. So leo kuna news na let me just check. I guess leo kuna news zingine moto mingi. Discount of the new week opening up is giving bullish till premium of it. Yeah. So you ni narrative uko nayo, okay? So why are you bullish? Because price has reacted to has respected a discount array, a higher time frame. Yeah. So whatever you're saying, so that's what making you bullish. But so you're telling me till premium of it, till. So to mean that there is no certainty in it. So what's guiding us is the narrative. So 361 pesos anasema had his first payout last week. So congratulations man. Yeah, so it's possible. Yeah, so after getting your first payout, know what you're going to do with it. I mean, unaweza enda upige sherehe. You can decide and invest in more larger balance accounts, kitu ka hiyo. Yeah, so that's up to you, but then congratulations. Kuna probability na nakubali trade na trading view. Naonanga mostly trades zako huku si link to nini yako, so account yako kuna brokers huku, like link to na account yako, then itakuwa sawa. So na trading tu huku. Well, except for nikitrade forex, nikitrade euro USD ama GBP na trading na MT5. Yeah, so congratulations to anaitwa peso. Yeah, so congrats. So I was to nikuwa niangalie news yenye iko leo ni mingi. So news ya kwanza ilikuwa ADP non-farm employment change. Engine tunangojea 6 ni ISM service PMI. Alafu leo saa 3 Trump ataongea, so Trump ataongea. So far right now kitu naona kwa price ni we are trading inside this new week opening gap here 24th October na 26th October. Yeah, so tuko inside that new week opening gap, and the only thing that price has reacted to now is this daily. So kwa daily kuna hiyo bullish order block, so tukwanga tumeimark. So sijui nilikuwa nimeona kuna, acha nione kwa hii nini. So kuna one day, so acha ni washow, acha nitoe hizi drawing zote. So acha ni washow kwa hii ingine inaniambia like hapa kuna hii ni same thing tuna ile. So kuna hii bullish order block, kuna hii fair value gap, and we have reacted off of it. So kwa hii hapa kuna hii bullish fair value gap, bullish order block kwa daily time frame. Okay, so naona pia watu wanaongezeka, hiyo ni poa. So hiyo ni bullish order block. We have this nice fair value gap here, this can nice fair value gap, so we have reacted off of it. So you see the sensitivity, so hizo ndo vitu tunaangalia, hiyo sensitivity. Yeah, hizi ni gani? So So that's that. So right now tuko katikati hii, so tuangalie kwa which time frame. So 4h nilikuwa 4h nishaangalia. Okay, acha nirudie 4h. So kwa 4h the only thing I'm seeing above price ni there's a volume imbalance nimemark na kuna hiyo fair value gap hapa, and again tuko na hizi, so tuko na quadrants ya hii new week opening gap, and also there's now becomes a bearish order block hapa, bearish order block. So bearish order block. Okay, so hiyo ni bearish order block. We are having this so najuanga sipendi kumakizi fair value gaps juu zita tunataka chart kwa clean, vitu safi. Vitu safi. So hiyo VIB nitaacha hapo, sijui kama chart yako pia imekushow. So leo Trump ataongea saa 3, so tutaona kama ata affect kitu, kama atafanya anything, because any reaction then tutajua, will know. So guys, long term tuko bullish ama tuko bearish? So cause right now price imerudi sana kwa discount, so let's use this dealing range here. So here dealing range from hapa till your high. So you see right now we are trading below the equilibrium. So equilibrium ni midpoint, fair value price, okay? So we traded below the equilibrium price. So najua kuna premium na discount. So discount ni huko chini. Below 0.5 that's the discount. Above 0.5 that's the premium. So when you're trading at the premium, so it's expensive, so it's selling. But then when you come to the premium, so at the to the discount, so it's cheap. That's why it's being bought. So kitu cheap unanunua, kitu expensive unafaa unauza. Kama kitu uko na anything that's expensive, sell it, pate pesa. Kama uko na kitu na ni cheap, kama una kitu na ni cheap, buy it. So it was bought, and now we are returning. So right now we are around the fair value price. So inaweza kuwa noma ama like tutaangalia. So right now price ina fluctuate around the fair value price, so at the equilibrium. So most of the time utapata inakuwa undecisive. So tutaangalia what it wants to do. So imetrade kwa hiyo fair value gap, kuna hiyo volume imbalance, and tutajua 6 pia tuko na news PMI. So tunaweza ngoja maybe kama tujapata setup market ikiopen, tutangoja after the opening range. So opening range ni from 9:30 to 10. Hiyo ni opening range. So kama tutapata setup then tutangojea hiyo news ya 6 tuone like inafanya nini. So tuambie inataka kufanya nini. Okay. So tukirudi hapa kwa premium taona. So kuna mtu alikuwa anaongelelea something to do with ikifika kwa premium So alikuwa anasema imetrade kwa discount, so ikifika kwa premium then ataona what to do. So yeah, so tukwe patient, bado time bado around 20 minutes to the open. Yeah, na kama ni follow. Yeah, make sure you follow. Square hapa tu na joyride. So the only support unaweza offer tu hapa ni follow. Okay? Yeah. Sawa presidente. So na mko welcome huku tuna analyze, tuna trade, tuna execute. Utaipata tukikuja ati tushachora rectangle hapo, ati sasa tumeka hivi. Yeah? Sasa tushaika hivyo, ati sasa tunangojea right. Bure kabisa. So acha nirudi sasa kwa 1H. Nilikuwa nimesahau. So 1H, let's see. So kwa 1H tuko na nini? So immediately tulitrade kwa hii daily, the bigger daily, no by the na immediately tulitrade kwa hiyo daily order block. Kwa 1H tuko na hii fair value gap, so we trade above it. Nice. So this fair value gap here, so nani lane chat as in nini yangu nimefungua nini ya indices nas 100. So kama una trade futures tumia December contract NQZ. Okay, so tumia NQZ, so type tu hapo NQZ tukuletea, so the most recent contract, so hiyo ndo tumie. Yeah, so we were having this fair value gap. Okay, so this fair value gap we trade and close above it. So in action nini, this fair value gap is not going to hold price. So what happens, it accumulates, then inarudi tena tu bado kwa hii. Immediately it left it, return into it, plus this fair value gap. Yeah, not fair value gap, this order block. Okay, so this is an order block, this is a bullish order block. Bullish OD. Let me change the color to that. No, is the color okay? That. So this immediately we leave this fair value gap, this 1H fair value gap, close above it, so it's not going to hold. So we expect for this now to become an IFVG, so hold price, support price going higher. So price, okay, it tries to hold price, and then finally it digs deep into what? Into this last down close candle. Okay, so the last down close candle, that's what? That's an order block, a bullish order block. Okay, so it digs into it and then we see that rally. Yeah, semaji alvi. So it mainly does that. In the 4H we were having that volume imbalance, trading view. So platform ni trading view, so that volume imbalance, and also kwa 1H pia tulikuwa na hii volume imbalance. Yeah, so hizi ni vitu unafaa unaangalia. So pia kwa hii 1H tulikuwa na hii volume imbalance. So hii price ikiweza rudi hivi, still tunaweza expect irudie hii volume imbalance. Yeah, and now this, and also this bigger down close candle. So this one is also another block. So even though this is now technical science of trading, yeah, this is also a bullish order block. So until all of these levels are breached, then we are going now to be certain that price will want to go lower. But then for now, whatever price has created, whatever price is doing right now, yeah, it's giving us some, what do I say? Okay, so it's delivering higher, delivering higher. Yeah, so Ling is saying the opening range is likely to be small. Okay, it might be, but then also we'll have to wait. So also Aircom network saying this now becomes a propulsion block. So let me see in 4H what we had. So this 4H VIB, so we've closed above it, so right now it's doing that. And below price, so this dealing range from this low to this high right now. So if this is our dealing range, so the equilibrium is still this. You see there's volume imbalance that I've drawn here, so there's the equilibrium. So if we can do something like this and then rejects higher, then we'll be sure with the longs. But then today I might not do anything because I have my reasons. Yeah, I have my reasons. So today we might do a lot of tape reading, but then let's wait for the open. Yeah, so 15 minutes. So above price in the 1X, so around the upper quadrant, I mean the upper part of that new week opening gap, we're also having this fair value gap. So this is something that's promising. Okay, this is something that's good. So we are having this 1H fair value gap above here, right where we have that bearish order block, fair value gap, 4H bearish order block. So yeah, so make sure you follow me if you are not my follower, and I'm always going live each and every single day, yeah, during the New York session. Yeah, so 15 minutes. So 15 minutes. So let's see what happened for 15 minutes. What happened? Okay, so this was the hourly fair value gap that we highlighted. So we left this level. So we had this high, this low, high, higher low. So the all of this was a mitigation block, but then we left this first fair value gap open. So for those who know, I normally say that this first fair value gap, I don't want to see for price to trade back into it. Okay, so this one becomes a breakaway gap. So that one becomes a breakaway gap. Okay, then this other one, this one I permit for price to trade back into it, so this one becomes the measuring. So these are the fair value gap. I want to see price trade into this one, but not this one. And if we are going to be bullish, then it has to trade to the upper quadrant of this fair value gap. Okay, so upper quadrant, we have the parts of the fair value gap. We have the consequent encroachment, that's the midpoint. We have the upper quadrant, then the lower quadrant. So let me just change the color of this. Okay, so these upper fair value, I want to see price trade into it. If we are going to be extremely bullish, then price should not trade back into this breakaway gap. So this one should be left unfilled. Yeah, left unfilled. Then price should come and trade into this one, but then where? Just at the upper quadrant of it. So boom, angalia tu consequent encroachment iko hapa, so imerudi ka trade the upper quadrant of it, and then imetuacha. So ikishatuacha like so kwa 15 minutes, ukikuja kwa 15 minutes, okay, so we were having this low, ikafanya hivyo. So this the lowest low yenye ilikuwa around the area, si ndio? This low. So after this up move kulikuwa na hilo. So guys, acha nitoe tu hiyo fair value gap ndo itupe like tuone fiti. So we were having this low, so immediately we had this up move, this low is lower than this and this. So hii low hapa tumekuja tukaitoa, right? So immediately we took it out. So this low and then this high and lower low. So hii hapa inabaki ni nini? Types order block theory. Hii ni order block gani? So kama unajua like comment tu hapo, like hautachapwa. Kama unajua hii ni order block gani, like comment. So this low, high, lower low, comment. Hapa kuna mwenye anakuchapa. These are free space, yeah, free space, na these are learning space. So kama bado unaogopa utachapwa, hakuna mwenye atakuchapa. So nyinyi wote amjui hii level hapa, this up close candle, breaker block. Yes, Mr. Kuma. So karibu, and kila siku kujanga huku, na pia ujoin group yetu, na pia kama uko WhatsApp group yetu ya uko watu wako live, wako active sana. Si mitigation, ni breaker block juu this low, high, lower low. So ingekuwa mitigation ni kama hii hapa, nilikuwa nimesema hii ni mitigation, high low, lower high, higher low. Naona hii low haijachukua hii, so hii ni mitigation block. But then for this one now becomes a breaker. Yeah, so if it's a breaker, then we expect for this level to hold price kwenda wapi? Kwenda juu. Yeah, breaker. So we change tena to breaker. So angalia huko juu, like nini inaweza track price huko juu? What? Ni tu hii nini? 1H fair value gap, na tulikuwa na hiyo 4H. 1H fair value gap, 4H bearish order block. Okay? And still tuangalie. Still tukiangalia, tukichora anaitwa ni aje Sesco. So Sesco ananijua na jina ya kitambo, controversial. Hizo ni kitambo like hey. Mazee Sesco ni aje? Niambie, nikumbushe jina yako ya inaweza jua. All breakers are mitigation blocks. So Bandla ametuambia all breakers are mitigation block. So like okay, like nasemanga hapa I'm here to learn. So the fact that Bandla amesema all breakers are mitigation block, so siwezi refute like claim yake. Yeah. So maybe alisikia, mimi sikusikia, so siwezi like sema ati hakuna. So I just take it and then I'll also research on it and add it to my bank. Okay, bank of knowledge. So hapa nilikuwa na nini hizi quadrants, new week opening up, then the old new week opening up. Okay, so right now even we've not traded at the premium level. So in a new week opening up, yeah, angalia 24th October, 26th October. Okay, so kuna old new week opening up hapo. So hizo new week opening ups like ufai kuziacha. Odora nauliza, do propulsion blocks also classify as breakers or mitigation? Yeah, so unaona venye mko active hivi, hivyo ndo hadi kwa WhatsApp group watu wako active. Ama ni aje Odor na kina Real Madrid na kina Tush na kina watu wako wengi, kina Sadaman. Okay, so this one I've labeled it as a breaker. Okay, so hiyo color iko fiti kweli, let me try that. Yes, so napenda hiyo. So hatuja trade hata to the fair price ya hii. So unaona ime trade tu ikanusa kiasi na inarudi. So right now ina trade kwa hiyo breaker. Okay, so market ina open in the next 2 minutes. In the next 2 minutes. So let's see how price reacts to this. Na yeah, so the civil discourse going on in the comment section na nice. Yeah, okay, so hiyo ni 15 minutes. So acha turudi kwa 5 minutes chap. So 5 minutes tunapenda nini? So leo ni Wednesday. Wednesday, if we are really bullish, then see expect like turudi huko side la true day open. If we are really bullish, so we might say maybe tulikuwa tusha form low of the day, kitu kama hiyo. This was accumulation, manipulation, then distribution. So kuchini, the only thing I might like below price ni tu hii hapa, this IFVG now. But then I'd love for price to just leave it, because ilitoka ikarudi hapo. So we did that. So around this level, yeah, so around this nilikuwa nimesema hii ilikuwa 1H volume imbalance. So around this level, hii low tumeichukua hapa kumbe. So okay, acha tungoje sasa open 1 minute. Oops, check sasa iko na vitu mingi, but so kwa 1 minute uko juu umeona nini? Uko juu isha open easy levels. So wale wenye wanajua wanakuanga tu zile za relatively equal highs. Okay, locked. Locked ni nini? Yeah, so karibu. So hapa juu tuko na relatively equal high resistance liquidity run. So let me see. So nilisema like leo kuna venye like feel kuingia. Yeah, so laying squeezy like laying data each and every single day anatukumbushanga opening range gap. Yeah, so laying kongole kwako. Wait, kongole is kongole even a Kiswahili word? Ama ni lugha gani? Ama ni English? Okay, so price reacted off that, so ikarudi kwa hiyo 4H nini volume imbalance. So hizi levels like ni mingi sana, so I just have to dim it. Like mnajuanga spendi kumark hizi levels kwa chart yangu. So imerudi kwa hiyo 4H. Unaona 4H nini volume imbalance. So right now ina trade to the uko chini. Leo itaenjoy sana. Yeah, so tumeingojea tu. Tumeingojea, tumeichill, but last line of defense ni maybe kama inaweza rudia hizi level. So hapa hii hapa nilikuwa nimesema ni 1H volume imbalance fulani. So tukifanya analysis, so hii level kulikuwa na 1H volume imbalance. So nilikuwa nasema sitaki irudi hadi huko chini below true day open. Ndio ikirudi huko then itakuwa bearish sana. But if we are to be bullish then this level, so the fact that najua hizi level, so acha tu nitoe juu. Yeah, so acha nitoe hizi levels alafu ni mark kitu yenye sasa napenda hapa. So sijui kama nyinyi pia mnaona kitu nimeona. So hiyo inaitwa nini? Magaizi. Yeah. So tuweke ikwe huko chini. Yeah. So ngoja nasema like if tunataka like ipande huko shuke huko chini, then hii breaker block like kama ita hold then ikuje tutole hizi hapa. Kulikuwa na hiyo 1H volume imbalance, so kama iezi pia like hii breaker block basi ishike, but still we wait. Okay, right now hakuna kitu like interesting hapa, you know. Damn, hizi vitu ziko mingi, ni kama nitazitoa. So hiyo tunajua ni 4, hapo juu tunajua ni 4H order block iko, so nitazitoa. Yeah, so chat fake. Tupende vitu safi guys. Napenda venye siku hizi like watu wanaona hizi vitu. So right now mtu ashaniambia like ni kuna high resistance liquidity run day. So mtu mwingine naye like maybe anajiuliza hiyo high resistance ni nini? Umejua aje hiyo high resistance? Yeah, so easy levels like boom. So ikiweza tutolea hiyo level alafu itupe hii first presented favor level. So nataka kutoa hii level. So surely nimeidim na bado inaonekana. Ama nitoe completely. So that this level was smooth, imechukuliwa. So like sasa ndo tunaanza kazi sasa. Okay, ndo tunaanza kazi. So the fact that ya kwanza imechukuliwa, so tuko na high resistance huko juu, I mean hati relatively equal highs huko juu, relatively equal lows huko chini. So tumetoa relatively equal lows na haitupei fair value gap, so tunataka hiyo first presented fair value gap. So right now kitu imefanya tu ni imerudia, imekujia hii level 1H fair value gap, and huku chini tulikuwa tumesema tulikuwa na 1H volume imbalance. So hii level nilikuwa nimezitoa, but sitaki like nione kuja huku chini. Kama itakuja pia like kitu nataka na kitu price itafanya totally two different things, okay? Tukiinverse first presented, I might take it. Lyrox anasema. So wait, isha form. Acha tuangalie hiyo first presented yenye imeform. So uje nyinyi ndo mnaniguidingi like hiyo ni first presented kweli. So kama like si first presented pia mnaweza niambia. Je, inakaa ndogo though? Yeah, so kama uja follow, so ndo hiyo first presented fair value gap. Why will it not be? Oh my god, must be nice. Acha tuiweke top hapo juu. So ishatoa hizo relatively equal lows na yeah, so inafanya hivyo. Acha tuone iki close above. So iki close above irudie na tuone kama like tunaweza seek higher prices. Juu hii hapa ni like hii hapa ni breaker, so inside a breaker block. But then today, like guys, be careful. Yeah, so in the last nitakuwa nimeshinda nikisema if it were any other day, okay? If it were any other day. So Lyrox alisema tukiinvert first presented fair value gap ameingia. So sijui kama ameingia. Alisema I might. So Lyrox, tuambie fate yako ni gani? So tuone kama itatuachia hii fair value gap. So guys, hii level like hii level ni hiyo breaker block. So tumeona like imefanya hivyo. So tuangalie kwa 5 minutes. 5 minutes imefanya nini? So imerudia hii breaker block. So in as much as ime sink deep kwa hii fair value gap na imefikia hiyo order block kweli, ijafikia hiyo order block, but hii fair value gap tuka close above. So right now we are trading above this bullish breaker, yeah. So that's nice. So imetuachia hii fair value gap ya kwanza, ndio hii imecreate ingine ya pili. So kina nani already wako kwa trade. Sijui kama wako kwa trade, but wait, 11 nilikuwa nimemark ni gani? The reason why sipendi kumark ile kwa 1H. Was it 1H? Si 1H. Hii level sijui ni gani, but for now 1H fair value gap. So imerudia hii level, ndio inajaribu kupush. So hapa kuko na new day opening gap pia. So new day opening gap, oops, So guys, I must be a magician juu hizi levels tu mbona inakuja na ina turn. Mbona isi turn kwa hii level, mbona isi turn kwa hii level, mbona isi turn huku chini. Mbona inakuja kwa hii level ina turn, mbona, kwa nini? Kwa nini? Jiulize kwa nini. So ikirudi kwa hii level then, so angalia venye imefanya hapo. I feel marvelous. Ne. So leo nilisema tu nitaka I'll sit on hands and yes, so invalidate like kama mimi nilikuwa ninge long then irudi hapo then not interested area umeka equal laws because it's a 1h fair value gap. Okay, so ni 1h fair value gap, yes, and also it was a 1h what, volume imbalance. So mic hiyo ni poa. So hapa ni kama tunajifunza, you know. So ego side hapa tunajifunza. Hapa kila mtu like hakuna mwenye anajua kushinda mwenzake. So yeah, skill muhimu ya Nasdaq kwaje. So right now imerudi kwa hiyo first presented fair value gap. So right now ina squeeze kwenye hao wenye alikuwa ameingia long. Ni long ama longs. So price imetoka huko chini, right? Ika trade ya hiyo ni week opening. Angalia like venye body close. So this level ni sensitive sana. Iko sensitive to price. So unaona tu ina tap na ina weakness yo sharp. So ukiangalia like ukisaka setup yako like yes, in as much as hii inaweza kuwa ni kitu like if it were any other day like ningeingia kwa hii trade juu nilikuwa ninge expect ingerudi huko chini. So immediately me close huko juu kacha hii fair value gap. These are the fair value gap, so I'll only expect for it to trade into this upper fair value gap, and we are also inside the big breaker block. So singa expect irudi huko chini. But siku kama hizi, kama wewe ni nasemanga kama wewe ni buyer ama wewe umeshort, stop zako weka huko chini na usiguze. Yeah, ifai kuguza. Ama kama wewe ni mtu wa kusell, stop zako weka huko juu na hapana kuguza. Hapana iko guza. Sawa. Kama wewe ni mtu wa kuscale stop loss kama mimi, then jua siku kama hizi utakuwa cooked. Unajua kupikwa. Unakuwa cooked nani? I feel marvelous. So high resistance. So nani like alikuwa ling. So high resistance liquidity run days inakuanga hivi. So yeah, itajifanya nika imekupea setup, lakini wapi mazo. Yes, vitu unataka kuonanga itakupea, but sasa make sure tu kama umeingia stop zako huku chini. Like narudia, niliingia internet inasumua TZ sa. Wewe ni mtu wa TZ. If it was na add. Kumbe hadi watu wa TZ wako huko. Yeah. Huko nasikia saizi kuna waka. Nasikia kuna waka like yeah, some bad things are really happening huko. But then we are keeping you in our hearts. Tunawaombea. Yeah, so nani yako confident na amesema like kirudi tena na ana add. So yeah, Mzanzibari. So nikikuja huko nitakutafuta mazee. Yeah. So siku moja sijui kama nyi pia mlisomanga Damu Nyeusi. Siku moja ukiomoka usikuje ukanisahau. Sijui alikuwa anaitwa Babu ama nani. So right now we trade back into this level. So kumaanisha yeah, tushatoka huko chini. And so unaona hii pullback. So hizi ndo vitu mimi naogopa. Yes, ningeingia but sasa mimi si mtu wa kuweka stop loss huko chini, you know. Na kama uni follow like follow, ndio hapo utalearn vitu mingi sana. Sasa ime close above. So nataka iache fair value gap hapa. So kama ijaacha fair value gap then bado itarudi. So ikiacha hii fair value gap open around this level, then I'll trust that we are going to take these relatively equal highs. Okay, so that fair value gap, nice. So it has to leave it wide open. Took partials. Maze, nice maze. Watu kama hao. So imetuachia hii fair value gap open. So kumaanisha like sasa tuangalia huko juu fully out kwenye equal highs. Congrats maze, congrats. So hiyo tu inaweza kuwa setup yako. Hiyo inaweza kuwa model yako, relatively equal lows taken out. Yeah. But then for me na. Mimi si mtu wa kuweka stop loss huko chini. Ndio kuingia leo niko late. Soma hapa mkuu, Cactus Jack. Soma hapa. Nas 100 ama US Tech. So those relatively equal highs taken out, and MACU tumetoka around this bullish breaker. So acha tena ni zoom kiasi juu imeli tumeleave your zone like I don't expect for us to rudi huko chini. So if fair value gap imeiacha, these are the fair value gap imeform hapa. So nice. Maze, tamu ni aje? Tamu. So najua watu wengi, I know people wenye wameingia wameshika hii move juu wanajuanga like days like this stop loss to go. But then for me no, not interested. So right now tunangojea the next. So tunaingia kwa macro 950 to 1010 macro. So angalia 5 handles, 1 2 3 4 5, the fifth alafu to expect pullback. So after 5 handles namani kwani, so ama maybe haitafanya hivyo. So kuna wenye washatoka fully out, kuna mwenye amechukua partials like maze, nice aje. Nataka kuangalia hii level ni gani nilikuwa nimemark. So kwa 15 minutes ilikuwa kweli. Oh no, ni hizi quadrants. So nashangaa mbona hii chart imekuwa hivi. Hiyo levels kwa najua ni gani. So the higher time frame kitu ina pull price ni fair value gap na E4H bearish order block. So that's the magnet right now. And there's huko juu hapa portion ya hiyo new week opening gap. Yeah, so hizo ndo vitu zina, so we said this is a breaker, this low, high, lower low, breaker block, price comes, trades inside the breaker block, and boom, maze, you can't improve upon perfection. So check 4H, acha tuangalia 4H. 4H kuna nini? Yeah, 4H kulikuwa na, so nilikuwa nimetoa hii, so right now juu 4H ina close in the next 9 minutes, so kuna zile volume imbalance yenye nilikuwa nimemark, so I guess nitazirudisha juu tunataka kutumia hizo. So we want to see it support price going higher, hold price going higher, support, hold, whatever. So tunataka like hold hiyo price going higher. So let me just label it VIB, volume imbalance, right, top. So acha niweke color fulani, napenda hiyo kweli. Yeah, maybe hiyo inakaa sexy kiasi. Okay, so so kama hujani follow. So there's our, so imerudi kwa hiyo 1H. So kwa 1H acha ni washo tu. So kwa 1H nilikuwa nimesema hapa tulikuwa na hiyo 1H what? We were having this 1H volume imbalance, okay? So the 1H volume imbalance, so nilisema like that's the farthest inaweza kuja. There's a 1H volume imbalance. So tulikuwa tumemark the farthest inaweza kuja na hizo relatively equal lows. So sikuwa nataka kuje kwa hii IAVG hapa chini, so imefanya hivyo, ijarudia. And kwa 15 minutes we were having this breaker block, this low, high, lower low, breaker block, imerudia breaker block. So bullish breaker block, una expect ifanye nini? Hold price going higher towards what? Kwa 1H tuko na hii volume imbalance. Yes, tuko na volume imbalance hapa, but then tuko na the larger fair value gap hapa just at the upper quadrant ya hii new week opening gap ya 24th, 26th. And also kwa 4H tuko na hii bearish order block. So we want to see how price reacting to this bearish order block. So unajua the sensitive parts za order block ni open na the low, open, low. Okay, so hizi ndo vitu zina pull price. So kwa 4H hii ndo kitu ina pull price inaendea hii. So time and price, time, price. So tunaangalia time alafu price, okay? So the market is coded, so ina follow vitu hapo. Yeah, NB there is news. Yeah, so hiyo news, like news tu ni time. So hiyo news ina come first alafu time. Hiyo news ni time and then price. So price yenye tuko nayo hapa kwa, as in the price we have ni hii bearish order block ya 4H. Yeah, beautiful. Price tuko nayo ni 4H, but then time. So hiyo news like hata haitushtui juu sisi tunaangalia, yeah, time first. So hii kiingia hapa before time, then you know what to do. Yes, for us we know what to do. Maybe you don't know what to do, but it's a good thing you're joining the winning team. So utajua. But then this was nice, beautiful. So kama hujashika like usikufe na FOMO. Hizi vitu zina happen kila siku. They do happen each and every single day. FOMO isikumalize, my guy. Yeah, FOMO isikumalize. Juu sisi tunajua hapa kitu tuna trade kila siku. So ikitoka hii level ilituachia fair value gap first one, second one, so tulikuwa tumeexpect irudi hapa for this other one, but still kama like unajua high resistance liquidity run days, so nitakuwa nasema kila siku stop, ekelea huku chini, usieke venye mimi naikanga hapa kwa fair value gap. Some of us don't know what to do when it hits the fair value gap. Oh. So hit your fair value gap, like hit before time, hit, so time comes first, okay? So right now a bullish breaker, like in a hold price, and we see boom, nice, relatively equal highs purged, so it has been made jagged. So juu hapa kuna watu wako wanataka tufikia hapa, walikuwa wame short support resistance traders, so si ati nasema ati wajuangi which level to dim support ama resistance. So hii watasema ni resistance, hii level maybe watataka juu watachora hiyo rectangle yao imehit tena, so wana expect short, but then boom, we made it jagged. So hapa ni priming, huku chini pia ni priming, relatively equal lows. Mbona tu ni hilo tumemark? Mbona, kwa nini? Jiulize. Na inafanyika kila siku, tuna highlight, jana tume highlight, leo, kesho tuta highlight, hivyo kila siku. So 950 to 1010, unajua hiyo ni macro window. But then angalia like kuna news, so don't risk. Hapana, jaribu. I'm back after winning, so congratulations. Yeah, what's your exit points? See, exit points to ni sansemeaje? Okay, they drove liquidity. So this bearish order, this bullish breaker block support price inaipeleka wapi? Towards what? See, towards the 1H fair value gap and that 4H order block, bearish order block. So around those levels. So kwa hii 1H fair value gap. So hapa kitu like ujanja. Acha niwaambie ujanja. So it's funny that kuna mtu alikuwa ameni DM, asiku DM, ali reply kwa comments zangu kwa TikTok. So the guy was like, maze, hii knowledge ufai kupeana, siji stop telling them where these things are. Hii kitu unafaa ujieke, siji was it unafaa ujieke ama nini, like sikumbuki, but it was like you should not share these things, you know. So the guy anajua like hii knowledge like ni moto. Mtu ufai tu kusema hizi vitu huko nje. But then kuna watu wenye wana sleep on this. Yeah, so saizi nasema hii hapa na nimemesha hizi vitu. Kuna mwenye sasa analala tu. Tamka. So angalia the first level. Yeah. So below it, what has happened? And then hapa hivi, what's happening? So acha after sharp endo sasa niwaambie. Juu kila siku nasemanga ni kama kuna watu wa pay attention. Yeah. So yeah. So hapa kuna hii fair value gap. So hii nina hold price sasa hivi. Terrain. So fits up ya amewin, kina Lyrox wamewin, kuna watu najua wametrain la hawajajitaja. Odoro umeingia leo? So hii level imehold hiyo fair value gap imehold. So hii level ninasumbua. So whatever happens hapa itapushi price huku chini. So kitu like acha niseme, kitu like ina drive hii price kuja move kwa hizi quadrants ni tuangalie hizi fair value gap. So fair value gap imeform wapi? So si unaona hapa kuna hii fair value gap imehold price ikai support to this next one. So kwa hii next one yeah, so model ya nani haiko, so it's good to sit on hands. So this level hapa until like hizi level like itatupea fair value gap, then tunaangalia kama tuta draw to the upper part. Yeah, kama iko pia yeah, but then sasa angalia time yenye tumetrade kwa hiyo fair value gap ya 1h. Share on Discord pia tupate. RCL ni nani? Oh, RCL anasema ako ana ride hizo longs mbaya sana. So hata ijafika kwa consequent encroachment ya hiyo fair value gap ya 1h haijafika. So again, kama uja follow, make sure umefollow. Usikumbushwe. So imerudia hii fair value gap hapa chini. So hiyo ndio na hold. So takuona hapa kwa midpoint si ya hii nini? Yeah, itafanya nini? Tuangalie 1h. Yani aje Hunter. I feel marvelous. So your 1h So the next point ni hii, na tukiangalia kwa hii 1h so kuna mwenye alishika from Asian yuko chini. Nice one bro, nice one. So mean threshold ni hapa juu. So let me just put this. So nice one liquidity hunter. Yeah, so kitu nilikuwa nasema ni tupe hizo fair value gap. Yeah, so in 1 minute. So imetupea fair value gap hapo chini. Nice one. So imetupea fair value gap na hiyo volume imbalance ndogo hiyo. So unaona imeweak hadi juu. So imetrade above the consequent encroachment. Unaona imeweak. So tuone venye ina react na hii level. Yeah, so follow kama uja follow. So guys, time. Hiyo news kwani mbona haijakuwa na impact? Yeah, so time, like angalia hii time window, the macro, the 950 1010, okay? So what has happened? Unaweza jiuliza, what has happened? So tuone iko na strength ya kupush juu kweli. Itakuwa na strength ama like, yeah, inaanza kushow weakness. So tuangalie, like hiyo ndio kitu tunangojea. So right now kitu tunaangalia ni hilo hapa, like kuja chini ya hilo mazeni bulanda. then ni bulanda. Yeah, Lyrox amesema I'm out, so kesho jo. So same trade nilihold formation though, ilikuwa US 500 from that belly order block here. Yes, so good one, nice one. So naambia ni bulanda. Yeah, mshare trade zenu Discord, okay? So Lyrox, share markup yako venye ulikuwa umeingia. So hii sasa ni bulanda kwangu. So time price, okay? Last line of defense. So ikitoa hilo tena like nataka kuangalia 5 minutes inafanya nini. Yeah, so kama ulikuwa umeshika hii trade, purpose to share your execution, like yeah, utakuwa na encourage. Yeah, uwezi jua mwenye utakuwa na encourage maze. So 5 minutes like mchafu. So angalia venye mereact kwa hiyo fair value gap. Yeah, so ina reject. Angalia body close. Body close. Body close. So long, fresh pack anauliza long ama short. Nikutole jibu wapi? So right now still not sure, but if I'll be certain then I'll say what wekeni ulipotea. Kenini aje? So itai kutoa hilo. So unaona like okay, so we are we are just waiting for more information. Time, so time, what did it do? At this time it traded into that 1H imbalance. Then you want to see how it's reacting to this low. So when it react na hii low, then hiyo ndio kitu itatuambia kama tunataka like shift lower ama like iko na nguvu ya kufikia hii 4H what bearish order block. Yeah, but right now like tunaangalia venye ita react kwa hii low hapa. Wazi jo. Anyway, congrats. So I'm gonna say during the 950 1010 macro imetrade kwa hiyo higher time frame 1H for value gap. So chenye nafanya hivi like hilo hapa, nataka kuona venye na react to hilo. Yeah, venye na react to hiyo low. So venye na react nayo ndo naangalia. So acha niangalia 4H. Oh yeah, so 4H tulikuwa na hii nini, hii volume imbalance. So tume close So tuko na volume imbalance mingi za 4H. So hii ya kwanza close juu, but siwezi expect irudi huko. Maybe inaweza rudi, maybe itarudi, but kama itarudi, then I expect for this to hold price going higher. We also having this other one, hii kadogo hii. So this level happening, significant price level. Hii level, acha tuangalie kwa 15 minutes hii level like inasema nini. Na hii level inasema nini kwa 15 minutes. So venye na react to hii low like unaona, so ni kama tu imesweep low 5 minutes. Nakwambia ni bulanda nani. So tuta close chini ya hilo kweli, hiyo ndio kitu nataka kuona. So same na jana like nikiwaambia tukichukua like our last remaining contract, so we were having that breaker block nilikuwa nimemark. So nilikuwa nawaambia like tukiclose above then tuta offer higher prices, but haiko close above, ilirudi like ili reject, haiko close above. So kama like ulikuwa unajua kitu kama hiyo, then unge participate kwa hizo shots. Yeah, so ilikuwa fiti. So sijui kama kuna mwenye aliparticipate kwa hizo shots za jana, but jana nilikuwa naangalia kama ingeweza fika kwa daily hiyo true day open, the midnight open, but then haikufika. So kitu nilikuwa naangalia ni price inge close above hiyo bullish breaker yetu, yeah, hiyo breaker block. So inge close above, then hiyo breaker block inge hold price, inge support price kwenda juu towards the midnight open. Okay, so sensitivity around this level. So venye na ime react na hii level sijapenda. So ungeniona like nimeandika hapa kitu kama hii, msiandike, kuna watu watachukua ni kama nimeandika. So kuna venye inge react na hii low, then ingejua like naweza ingia kuingia short, but then for now wait for more information. So right now inachezea hii volume, hii 4H volume imbalance na hii, you see there's so right now let me dim this. So hii 4H ni 4H volume imbalance. So hii hapa the sensitivity around this price level, so imerudi around there's so kuna hii fair value gap close chini yake, yeah. So hiyo fair value gap close chini yake, and then so kitu sasa inabaki ni tuangalie kama tuta close chini ya hiyo nini. So hii fair value gap hii tu ndo kitu like, so imerudi weak, imeingia body close, remain kwa hiyo 4H volume imbalance. So right now like venye hii hapa ita close so unaona venye naturingia hiyo close yake. So pia nangojea 10:30. Sasa like tumeamini sasa ime close. Sasa hii sasa ita close. 50 second chat inakaa 50. Thank you Benja. So like, right now ime close chini sasa. So ime react hiyo 4H volume imbalance. So Benja, it seems Benja is from Maju. Is from the US. Okay, so right now we've traded below this. So so 3 minutes. Check 4H please. So 3 minutes. Yeah, crypto kainiaje. So guys, 3 minutes. Unaona nimeingia kwa 3 minutes. So isikuchoche, you know. Yeah, poa sana crypto guy. Oh, so Benja wanted me to communicate in English. I'm not talking English. So the 3 minutes. So because of that 3-minute candle, so I don't like this level. So I might wait. So you see this rejection here. So that's a red flag. So if you wanted to go short, then I'm sorry to break your heart, but then it's a no. It's a no for sure. So the way we reacted to that, so this one now is not going to be a valid breaker block. So let's see. So it has closed there, left this fair value gap. So can it also give us another fair value gap here? So inside this fair value gap that I've marked here, yeah. So it seems like this one was holding this low here. The reason why we came and took out this low was to, is it induce liquidity or what? So hizo terms. So right now, if it can leave this fair value gap open, then guys, that, what is it, that 4H fair bearish order block is our next target, this red level, yeah. And also I want to see how it's going to react to this blue line here. So this blue trend line, yeah. So how is it going to react with it? So that's called reading price. So can it, okay, so it has given us this fair value gap, these are the fair value gap, and right now we are trading inside this one. So IC was requesting for 4H chart. So 4H right now, we did that, and so we are rejecting it nicely. So we want to see this level. There's a bearish order block, okay? So this bearish order block. that's the level we want to watch. So can price give us that? Yeah, so we believe it might give us that. So right now you see this low, high, lower, low. So we are also treating this. So there's up close candle here and this week. So hii hapa tuna treat kama bullish breaker, and also inside there's a 4H. So let me just mark it. I know these things ziko mingi hapa. So that level is promising. So acha niweke black. So nataka kutoa hizi vitu zingine. So hiyo fair value gap unaweza ona. So this low, high, lower, low, breaker, boom, boom. So that level is now promising. Hiyo ya huko juu. And also I want to see how price is going to react to this high. The high of that old new week opening up. I want to see how price is going to react to it. Okay. Yeah, so maybe inaweza kuwa setup ya mtu. This breaker block. So this one now becomes an order block. And also this one becomes an IFVG. So an inversion fair value gap. So guys, is it inverted fair value gap or inversion fair value gap? This one here, IFVG. Bullish breaker. So we want to see price we want to see it push price into this so it's inverted. Thank you. So there's a bearish order block, and also the main threshold. So this is simply just the main threshold. The message is home anyway. Yeah. So right now, so you see this low, high, lower, low. So also this one, you can trade this also as a. So is this a breaker or a mitigation? So I'm just asking. I'm asking for a friend. So once we trade above this, so most of the time utapata. So I normally say if we trade past 10:30, so if I was bullish, then 10:30 I expect for price to do this. But then for today mazee, we might continue offering higher prices, but then let's wait and see how it's going to react to this level. So the first level is this one, and then the next level is this, the next level is this. So we are trusting that daily order block, yeah, can support this price hadi huko juu, so that tuone. Yeah, so still hatuja close above, so don't hang me. So right now inarudi kwa hii order block na hii IFVG. And it's 10:30. So guys, mnajuanga 10:30. So nataka kuona venye kaina toa hii high alafu tu close above. Nataka kuangalia venye na close ina react to hii level, this blue trend line here. Mm. And also it has taken out this high, so for now let's believe it's going to fika huku juu. So it was returned to this IFVG. So the body close, body close, body close, body close, body close. Okay, hiyo ndio ina matter, the body close. So we are closing at the upper quadrant of this IFVG. So for 1 minute to still just study price. So we are having this fair value gap here, we trade below it. So in the 1 minute this one can act as a, so you know. So I don't expect for it to return back into this towards this low, because we have already swept these lows here. So this low, we've taken it out. Yeah, so I don't expect, I don't think there is any need for it to trade below this, below here. And Makio, we left this fair value gap open, so that was a good indicator for me. Yeah, so this one I want us to trade above with speed, distance, and let's look for this this level, this 4H order block. Okay, so guys, if you can understand, if you can read price action, then let's say you are in a move and you can read price action, then most definitely you'll be confident with whatever you're doing. Okay, so what happens that you'll really understand how to manage your position. Yeah, so you can manage your position so well to the point that you don't panic. So when you see such a reversal in price, so you don't panic. Yeah, so the other time I was saying this high, this low, high, lower low. So this one, this last up close candle here, this last up close candle here. So immediately we trade and close above it, then we'll expect for it support price going higher. So we expect for it to hold price, yeah, and drive it towards this bearish 4H order block. Okay, so something like that. So we want to wait and see. So can it do that, or because this IFVG has held price, so right now it's supporting it. Yeah, So I'm seeing this volume imbalance here, so we traded back into it and gave us that push. So there's a volume imbalance hiyo kidogo hiyo, there's volume imbalance. So if at all I was in this trade, then right now my stop could be, see this low here, or just below there's a volume imbalance here. So there's volume imbalance, so I'll trust for it to hold price going higher. So I don't expect for price to return back into this volume or this low here. So I want us to close above this. So I want to see how we're going to react to this level. See this trend line, there's a, is it blue? Yeah. So we want to see. So can this level hold? So that level has failed. So again it has revisited this low. Stretching into this IAVG. So right now it's really undecisive and so you see, just like I was saying, if it were any other day, or if I was in this move higher, then if I was to scale my stop around here, then most probably right now I would have been taken out, and then because past 10:30, so I normally don't like to be in any move, so hiyo ingenimalizia. Leo sija trade, leo sikuwa na execute. Today no. Leo vitu hazinge work on my side. So right now this level is now holding nicely. So if volume imbalance, the body closes, so wicks can do the damage, body closes tell the narrative. So nataka kuangalia the only thing nataka niko interested kujua ni venye tuna react kwa hii high hapa. So will it trade high and give us a fair value gap? So hiyo tu ndo kitu nataka kuona. Yeah, so can it give us a fair value gap? So Sadaman sijui kama wewe ulikuwa umeingia, but so you see, you normally know the conditions whereby I trade. Relatively equal highs, relatively equal lows taken out. So immediately it gives me this fair value gap. These are the one I expect for it to trade into this fair value gap ya juu. So ikirudi hapa then ingenitoa still. So hiyo ninge gamble hiyo, but then nitapata moves clear probably hii wiki ni NFP, then sijui ni kama hii wiki tuko na win tu hiyo moja until Friday. Sasa tutangojea Friday. So I want to see it give me a fair value gap here, but then again this was a nice one, fair value gap, so it trades to this upper fair value gap. So trusting that this one will not, price will not trade into this one. So hii hapa pia ingekuwa ni venye tu sasa there's choppiness. So you see that, unaona hiyo sensitivity, the sensitivity man. Hiyo sensitivity, hiyo ndo kitu nilikuwa nataka kuona. Hii level, hii hapa nimeandika new week opening gap. So this is the high of the new week opening gap. Hiyo ya 24th to 26th. So hiyo. So imesweep. Still Mercury ija close above. So imesweep. Ndio hiyo sensitivity. So imerudia nini hapa? Level ni gani? Hii level sijui ni gani? Chanitoa. So your sensitivity, so tuimalizie. So it needs to give me a fair value gap up, and don't I trust. So it needs to give us a fair value gap. So guys, the fact that ijatupea fair value gap, so tuta expect irudi huku chini. So kama tuta expect irudi huku chini, kama itai kutupea fair value gap, then to expect maybe irudi huku chini. So sijui level gani, kama inaweza itarudia hii level hapa chini hapa, ama hii 4H volume imbalance. Yeah, juu lazima irudi kwa discount, alafu ndo sasa ikuje na force. So So ni kama tu mimi nitawaacha leo, but still ikiweza tupea fair value gap hapa, then trust hii level, like tuangalie venye na trade kwa hii level. So PM session, but for now like hii low I guess iko locked. Hii low hapa for now iko locked. Hii low hapa iko locked, as I see low. Hii low hapa, hii hapa tumeseal. So hapa tu ni itupe fair value gap. So kama itaki kutupea, then tuta expect i pull back deeper kwa discount. So mimi nataka kuacha, niwaache, alafu tupatane kesho Monday until they deliver neatly. I didn't expect Wednesday to deliver too much, but acha tungoje post lunch and find out. Yeah, so nataka like nifanye vitu zingine. So ni kama still venye nilikuwa nimesema tume close above, so hii level like inafai hold price kwenda juu, but still ningependa like tupe fair value gap around this level. So still kama unataka kujoin mentorship yangu, yeah, so slots bado ziko available. Remember ni 30k. Yeah, so kama uko serious unataka ku elevate game yako ya trading, then DM ukwe na hiyo 30k yako, tufanyie shughuli, and then ukimaliza ni 4 months actually, ukimaliza upate certificate yako. So kama uko serious wewe DM tuongee. Yeah, na ukwe serious, ukwe na hiyo 30k. So yeah, so mimi nataka kuenda, unless kuna mwenye ako na swali, juu tunaingia kwa 10:50 11:10 macro, 10:50 to 11:10. So mwenye ako na swali unaweza uliza before nimfunge. 10:50. So mimi nataka kuenda, tupatane kesho majana. Kesho kama tuko na NFP Friday, then kesho siingi. So 10:50 irudi sick. Any imbalance iliacha in price, but still I believe the level in as a whole. So ikiingia sana niingie kwa hii level. But so patane kesho guys. Kesho ni kuteprid. So hii level ijani providea fair value gap nilikuwa nataka. So nitaiacha. So So wenye wanataka kuendelea waendelee, but then for me I'm done for the day. So see you guys tomorrow.